viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix or how to solve Snapchat camera is not working or Snapchat camera is not working. What should you do if you're facing this problem? So let's begin our video. So first of all, you need to launch on your Google Play Store and search for Snapchat application, and must be check out your Snapchat application is updated or not. Here you can see there have the option update. If your Snapchat is not update, make sure your Snapchat is update or give update. So after that you need to do just go to your phone settings. Here you can see this is my phone settings, so just open your settings, and after that you need to find out apps or apps management. There have a option I can find apps, so just open it, and after that you need to go manage apps. Okay, now you need to find out Snapchat application from here. Where is my Snapchat? This I can find finally Snapchat. Just open this and go to permission option here, and now you go to multimedia option, and there have a option you can see as access camera. There you can see, so just tap it, and you need to, while using the apps, make click it. That's it. Now let's back, and now you can open your Snapchat application, and now here you can see my Snapchat application. Now it's working perfectly. So guys, if you're facing this problem, your Snapchat is not working, you can use this process step by step, and I hope you can solve this problem.